In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to capture part of your screen in OBS Studio. This is really useful if you want to record or stream just a specific window, a game area, or a cropped section of your monitor without showing your entire desktop. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll be able to cleanly frame exactly what your viewers see. First, open OBS Studio on your computer. Make sure you're on the main window where you can see your Scenes and Sources panels at the bottom. If you don't already have a scene set up, create one by clicking the plus icon in the Scenes box and giving it a simple name. This scene will hold the source that we're going to crop. Next, in the Sources box, click the plus icon and choose a source type that matches what you want to capture. For most people, this will be Display Capture if you want to grab part of a monitor, or Window Capture if you want a specific application. After you select it, either create a new source or use an existing one, then click OK. If a Properties window appears, pick the correct display or window you want to work with, and confirm. You should now see your full screen or window inside the preview area. To capture only part of it, we'll use cropping. On Windows, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard. On some systems, this might be the Option key. While holding that key, move your mouse to the edges of the red border around your source in the preview. Click and drag the edge inward. You'll see the image being cropped in real time. Do this on the top, bottom, left, and right until you've framed just the exact area you want to show. If you accidentally crop too much, keep holding Alt and drag the edge back out. You can also click and drag inside the cropped area, without holding any key, to reposition it within the canvas. Use the corner handles, without Alt, to resize the cropped region so it fits nicely inside your scene. When you're happy with the framing, you can right-click the source, go to Transform, and choose Fit to Screen or Center to Screen to tidy up the layout. After that, you're ready to start recording or streaming, and OBS will only show the portion you've cropped. That's all you need to capture just part of your screen in OBS Studio.